Here it's the middle of June 2025, and bird's foot trefoil. It's nice bright yellow coloured flowers as usual. It's proving popular with the bees. Also here blooming is Herb Robert, some daisy variety, some wood avens with small yellow flowers. Lamb's ear plant, red valerian and lavender, curry plant, so with a very good showing of flowers now is this lavatra, and a geranium variety, also has nice colour to its blooms. Phlomis still has its nice yellow flowers with Mexican fleabane, and Litodora still blooming, more lavender, a nice rose variety, Kent, has been blooming well, and also pheasantberry has a nice showing of flowers. We'll also hear cotoneaster variety with its small flowers. Can be humming with bees at some points of the day, as it must be a good source of nectar. Whitegilla still has some flowers, while horse chestnut is now developing nuts. This evergreen variety of dogwood has some flowers. Nautia, which self-seeded, has recently started to bloom. While foxgloves provided some nice colour, though perhaps are a bit less numerous than last year. Borage has grown from self-seeding here and is blooming well in the middle of my garlic crop. Penstemon is just starting to bloom, with Selfeel also producing some nice coloured flowers. Young courgette plants are just starting to bloom. Lovage has started to produce flower heads. While Spirea can be seen blooming in the shrubs in the background. Some potato flowers have been forming in this accidental crop grown from the compost heap. And also in places, forget-me-not still has some late flowers.